Hi there, I'm Michael Johnson, and I run the Wigglebird Mailing Club. We publish a new zine every month from trans and queer authors and mail them to you. March's featured zine is Trans Cancer Sex by Lars McCoy. McCoy is a recovering leukemia patient, FTM, and an incredible zinester. You can support him and follow his work at ChemoLars on Twitter. Trans Cancer Sex is a primer on sexual intimacy for the trans cancer patient. It talks about coping, dealing with asshat nurses, and understanding hormone therapy while going through chemo. This zine also covers performance artist Bob Flanagan on how he controlled the pain of cystic fibrosis through BDSM, and Dr. Alan L. Hart, a prominent trans man who greatly contributed to tuberculosis and cancer screening. Trans Cancer Sex will be available as a limited run of physical zines this March 2022, only through the Wigglebird Mailing Club. Link in the description. Go join the club. It's like $6. Do it.